making a new video. Hey guys, Noah Williams, Pyrotechnics. Right now I'm going to talk about the performance for all of these fireworks. My last video failed to upload, so I just made it private. So I'm going to start off with wild cards. Performance description. You drew the wild cards. Crackling mines, the red, green, silver, lemon palms, and chrysanthemums. 49 shots. This is a fountain. It's called Kamado 3000. This fountain lasts 4.5 minutes, over 4 minutes. And the performance in this one is whistling effects, crackling barrage finale, and brilliant color combinations. So this one, guns never on. 12 shots. Did it show me? I don't see no effects on here. So it's gonna be skipped. Wings of Fire. This is by Firework. The performance for this one, gold, 165 feet is our diameter. That's how high it goes, is the altitude. It's a straight firing pattern. Very high on, it's a very loud firework, and it's a minor. Hit the road jack. I lit this one on New Year's. So this is my Uncle Jeff had this one also. Performance description. Hit the road jet, but you will want to come back from red tails to bouquet, silver tails to bouquets, blue tails to blizzards, green tails to red, blue and silver glitter, road tails to brocade, purple tails to light crackling, whistling to crackling flowers. 49 shot cake, 500 grams. Rain of Fire premiere. Blue tail, red palm with crackling, special blue tail, the crackling with red dahlia. There's Rain of Fire and Rain of Fire premiere. Which I got Rain of Fire last year, and this year Rain of Fire premiere. Atom bomb. This is in the big old box of bombs from Robert. A big bad blast of crackling tails to red and crackling stars with green and blue will quest for instance shot for a 12-shot finale. I already talked about the finale, so let's get I got a little pack of sparklers, you know what sparklers do, we all do. Performance description, this is called hydrogen bomb. A big bad blast of whistling tail, the red, green palm with silver glitter and whistling whistle, tail for crackling flowers. 6 shots and 6 breaks at a time. I lit this one previously. Notorious by Winda. This firework is a beast. I lit this one on the 4th of July last year. Color is gold, yellow, green, gold, blue, red and blue and green. 130 feet is altitude. Straight firing pattern, very loud and fine effect.
Very good. Thank you. We have chocolate cream pie too.
Pyrotechnic motherload. This is an awesome one also. Red crackling bouquet, blue crackling stars, the crackling flower barrage. This is a 500 gram cake. Today is the 4th of July celebration.
I'll take some for Kate. Alright, she loved it.
I don't see no effect. like, it might be the same thing like on the back, so I'll do that another day. Never forgotten, last and final one. This is huge. This is 300 shots, 500 gram cake lasts 30 seconds. I mean, performance, 300 shots, red crackling bright, green crackling bright, red glittering willow, gold glittering willow, white glittering willow, crackling whistles, and blue mines. This is an awesome, this is a beast. I watched the video just before, a Phantom Fireworks video. All of these fireworks came from Phantom. All fireworks came from Phantom. All my fireworks are from Phantom. I might do a little bit of wholesale fireworks video. My local wholesale. Well, I did the canister shells already, so I'm gonna skip those. You can watch that on the Independence Day complete stash. Well, this is gonna be it for my 4th of July, effects and what they do. So I'll see you later and cut.